Good morning, Joyce. Sorry we've been having such a difficult time getting into Google Analytics. I think I might have figured out what's going on. So if you pull up the email that we've got the URL in and click the link to get to the Google Analytics website, it should come up google.com/analytics. And once you click the Access Analytics, it sounds like it's logging you in automatically and maybe to a screen that looks like this. If you get in just by clicking Access Analytics, come up here to the top right hand corner and see what email address they have you registered as. If it's the tojo at the rmtc.net, go over to the right hand side and hit sign out, and then it should take you back to the home screen so that you can sign in again. Once you're there, type in Skin Care by Joyce, just those 4 words, Skincare by Joyce, no at gmail.com or at anything, just the straight Skincare by Joyce, and come down and hit the password is Tooth Fairy and click sign in, and then this will take you to the Google Analytics screen again. Come up here and make sure that it says Skincare by Joyce at gmail.com, and if it does, then you're golden, you're in and ready to rock and roll. Come down and hit Website Analytics, and then skincarebyjoyce.com, view report. When you hit view report, you're going to get access to a ton of information. This is where it's going to open up and show you what people are doing on your website, what information they're looking for, and kind of let us know what we need to add so that we can keep people on there. Quick overview and highlight of the dashboard. This will show you the number of visits. So it looks like we've had 138 visitors who viewed 752 pages, and the average number of pages per visit have been 5.45. Not bad, so it means they're sticking around and clicking and viewing a couple of pages within the site. The bounce rate, this number, we want to keep this as low as possible, because the bounce rate means that if someone comes to your site and they see the home page, after they view the home page, they leave. And so it means they kind of bounced on and bounced off. What we wanted them to do is to click at least one additional page, learn more, get a phone number, pick up the phone, call you, and then come in and get that facial. The average time on site, this is right at 7 minutes. Not bad. It means that they are sticking around. And then the number of new visits are 53%. So 50% of the visits are new, 50% are people that's been there. And that's not bad. A lot of that's probably you and I refreshing the site so that we can continue to view content. If you scroll down, you'll look at just a general graph showing your visitor trending information, a map overlay of where people are actually viewing the website from. Looks like you've got most of your hits from the United States, which is to be expected. And then you got a hit from Canada and one from Australia. So go figure. You've got a little bit of an international following. And traffic sources overview. This is a cool spot to see where people are actually coming from that are clicking on your site. And it looks like the majority of people are from referring sites such as Facebook.com, so about 63%. Another 40% are from direct traffic. Direct traffic is when someone takes your URL, Skincare by Joyce, and types that directly into the Internet Explorer or web browser. And then search engines, it looks like it's right at less than 1%. And over time, as we get you into search engines and optimize, then that should increase for people actually searching for skincare in Randleman, skincare in Greensboro. And so we just got to make sure that the site gets optimized for keywords such as that. And then the content overview. This is probably one of the more important pieces of the metrics. It just shows you what people are actually clicking on. So this backslash is the home page. So you've got 237 page views of the home page, or about 30% of the visits. And then the next most popular category are services. So people are clicking to see what it is you do. And so that's important to know. And blog is the third most. So I think we're on track as far as what we're updating and giving people information that they're interested in. After you look at the dashboard, come over here to the top left-hand corner and you'll see a toolbar that says Dashboard Intelligence Visitors. Each of these options have additional metrics that you can click on, and it just drills down even further and shows you what Internet Explorer, what browser people are using to get to your website, shows you the connection speed. A lot of this is just kind of cool information to know. traffic sources is probably going to be a really important one to just kind of keep tabs on to see where people are coming in from. Looks like the majority of people are coming in from Facebook.com, so keep on working and dropping your link on your profile. Looks like it's working and driving some traffic there. So that is definitely a good thing. The most important piece, and I think I've probably said that a couple of times, so there's a lot of important stuff, but if you click on Site Overlay, and this is in the Content section, so if you go to the top left-hand screen, there's a toolbar, click on Content, and then Site Overlay. This is just a really neat feature. It's going to open up your website in another window, and click on that. And once it opens it up, it's actually overlaying the click patterns of people. So you can see that home is a popular click destination. It's got about a 38% click-through rate. And if you go through each of these, it'll show you where people are clicking and where they're not. So it's just kind of interesting to see what people are clicking. And if you come to this page, it looks like people are figuring out how to click microdermabrasion for more information. One thing to think about is that we probably need to develop miniature descriptions to put on this page to the right of the picture so that they know a little bit more about the facial, because right now you have to click on facial and then it gives you the menu of facial options. So if we could work on developing a little phrase, a little paragraph on facials about, how fun the experience is, how relaxing, just something that kind of has that hook. And if you have any questions about that, just let me know. And while we're on this page, as far as testimonials go, if you could, let me know if you have any additional testimonials. We'll upload those. And then I think we need to put the first name, last initial, and then location. So that's just something to think about as you're sending testimonials this way. Alright, so back to the Google Analytics. As I was saying, there's just a ton of information over here on the left-hand side. Feel free to explore, feel free to check things out. It's not crucial you do this every day or every week, but it is interesting to see what people are doing once they access the website. So these metrics will really help us in crafting an effective social media and marketing campaign strategy. Hopefully what we're going to do is really be able to shake more hands online than what you could do in person. And so by continually connecting with potential customers, educating them, our goal is to get them to come to the salon, buy product, and buy services. And so if you ever have any questions, feel free to ping me via email, austin@athensocialmedia.com, or give me a call, 912-663-7242. Hope you have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.